What is going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building, baby. We're here on a new product review I just received from Advanblack. Thank you, Alan, for supporting the channel. Great guy, great company, good stuff. So right now, I just received this from Alan and from Advanblack, and we're gonna be installing it on my 2019 Street Glide CVO. I already took it apart. So we're took off the bags, and we're gonna be installing the new side covers right here. There are for the stretch CVO bags. So we're gonna do that and uncover the box right now. All right, there's the piece right there. There's the box, fragile stuff. We're gonna open box. Before we take out the product, I just wanna let you guys know, Advanblack does paint this in all different types of colors. They have it in every single color, but the only thing they don't do is they don't have the CVO color paint, and that is because Harley does not give out their paint color. So you would have to take it to like some kind of specialist in paint, and they would match the color as close as they can as to the CVO color. So I have a guy in New Jersey. I'm gonna put the link right here. He is the only guy that I know and that I trust that does the CVO color paint to the max, to the perfect T, if you need any touch-up paint or any things like that. They're called Extreme Dimensions. They're in Blackwood, New Jersey. Definitely recommend them. Let them know Barber CVO sent you, and he will definitely take care of you. So I'm gonna leave the link right here below with the information, and then you guys can hit him up and let him know. All right, let's get to it. Check out the package, guys, that Advanblack sends, and then when I send it to my paint guy, he also wraps it up really nicely, so you won't get no damage to the paint or anything like that. So he rewraps it, and it looks like he has some type of cloth in there as well. So he does a really, really good job in painting this side covers or anything with your bike. So let's check it out. Looks great. Originally the part came in black, but you know, they're gonna repaint this whole thing. So color match the whole bike. Check it out, guys. Wow. This is the same exact color paint as my CVO. Great, great job. Look at this. Really detailed, really nice. No marks, really good stuff. See that? Let's get this puppy on the bike, baby. First thing we're gonna do is take out the stock side panel here. Let's take this puppy out. All it is, it just pops out. It has 4 little things right there. Take this out. And then we're gonna add the new Advanblack side covers. So with these things, they have adjustables right here, so you can check it out, turn them to see how you want them to adjust the correct fitment. So we're gonna push it in here, in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Nice and snug. Oh man, that looks really good. That looks really, really good. That's just a reflection of the passenger peg, so don't think it's a scratch or anything. It's just a reflection. Looks good. Looks good. So now we're gonna put the bag on so you guys can see what it looks like. Check it out, guys. Look how it looks. Looks good. Very, very nice. Very smooth look. Matching colors. I think it looks really good. Nice flush look to it. I didn't want to get the stripe on the bottom of it, just because I didn't want it to go too much red with the striping going across it, so I decided to just leave it out. And yeah, looks good. Now we got a flush look to it. Very, very nice. All right, let's move on to the other side. Side cover here. I need to adjust it real quick here. Adjust it already. Squeeze in here. Here. Actually, good. All right, let's go get the bag. All right, guys, we just finished the installation. Looks fantastic. Color match exactly the same. Nice and flush on the bottom over here. Looks really good. Color match spectacular. Check out the other side. Yep, this is how you're gonna see it. Same way. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you Advanblack for sending me this item. Looks great. So if you guys want it, they definitely come in every single color you can think of, just not the CVO paint. I believe that I am the only person in the country, possibly, to have side covers for my CVO, or for any CVO. So, glad that Advanblack is a part of this new tradition, new style to the CVO. And I should be the first one to ever have it on. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about the new side cover panels here, stretch bagged from Advanblack.